If you have asked me for help, and I say, I will see what I can do. I have seen it too. There is nothing I can do.
Hello, Daddy. I want to buy handouts.
Okay, how much is it?
You know it's 700, so just tell him 1,000. It's 20k.
Jesus!
And that one is just for the registration.
Come here, my body they shake. Come here, my body they shake. Come my body they shake. Blood of Jesus, blood of Jesus, blood.
My son, do you know that if you keep laughing like this, I will not slap you again?
That guy is there. Give him slap and I'll drive off.
Okay.
God have mercy upon us. Jesus.
Shady, why do you stop now? I thought you said you would drive off.
Get body for stop now.
Hey guys, today we have our special guest and more to come because it's our Trend of the Week party. So today we'll be having trends from the year 2015 to the present day. So let us meet our guest.
Alright guys, I'm here with Mr. KPK.
Okay, money. So, Mr. KPK, how did you make so much money? Why please get a blow me now?
Is that not commit violence?
Everywhere steal.
Sorry, who?
Is your boy in everywhere steal? Way back 2018, whiskey and jollof.
Ozo. That pepper soup water na go enter on her. Mr. Sakpa.
When they go start now?
We're waiting for Idong.
Who be this Idong? Bro, Idong is supreme. Opportunity no dey come but once for Idong. Now Idong dey come but once for opportunity.
Oh my God!
If you don't the crossroad, now drivers they look left and right.
You don't know they go class. Na class they come meet you don't.
If you don't look mirror, now a reflection they run.
Serious!
Because there can only be one Idon.
I'm a war. I'm a fight.
Now. That. If you don't cook beans, you don't know the way to make it done. Stop.
You don't go big beans, still will take it down. Pride.
Better days no day any ahead though. The day you don't have the weight.
Yes, just give me some time. I'm not ahead at all. I did don't get like this.
Then I say daily bread and open doors. They wait for her. You don't know me. You know me, oh.
I say we plenty for here.
Bread, oh. Yeah! If you dey open pay, make your mother make her see.
Now Popo they wear, sorry. Too much Gary, please. Anybody, I drop onions. Anybody?
You think it's a joke?
Oh yeah. Catch me.
Vivid, imagine.
Then where is the real Idon? I know say Idon no go come. Because no be audience they watch Idon. Now Idon they watch audience.
Well, not so funny but creative. At least he gave you better repent. Oh, he don't know the way to make una comment for a video. He don't already they comment.
Okay, come back from this car. If you not say that around, come out because war will happen here. War. You pour me water. Look at. You pour me water. But what he said, no worry. Enter inside. I leave the case for God. No worry. Hey!
That is soon. I don't do smoke. Have you smoked before? Oh, Kakoloso. Uncolos. Echibole Mpam live. Echibole control. Uncolos. Mpam kamshi bugana ngata. Ishi itigala na kechukuno.
Hey!
Bros. You never hear? So you never hear say chief wife born twins. If na I talk to you now, we don't chop first set of chicken. Pami dey there, groundnut and biscuit. Chief don talk say he go give us one cow.
Funny bros, you know the rest. You know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest. Funny bros, you know the rest.
God have mercy. Hey! What be this? Jesus is us. My head they go inside this place. Inside they give me linear cup. See.
Go. No. Go 1.5. Jesus. Go sign 2.5. This man is a California. I'll confess, my people. I've been every people since the past 6 years. People has been ruling us. I want to rule, so I had to poison the family. It's only the family that I poisoned though. I didn't poison the chicken or the biscuit and the granite. It's only the family that I poisoned. You push to forgive me. Hey!
Arrow.
The hearts of men are evil.
Too evil.
Hey!
And you don't drink them. 3 cups.
What is it?
See you. You and Pami.
Hey!
Utu.
Melody in my heart.
Hello, brother.
Please don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Remy.
Please forgive me.
Talk to you, a prank.
What is it, Charlie boy?
You know, now we start this thing, no?
Charlie boy. Hey!
Chijoke.
Go.
God have mercy.
Yes, thank you.
My Lord Jesus, don't do me better. My Lord Jesus, don't do me better. I am a winner.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.
I am a winner. I am a winner. I am a winner.
On this day, he don't boarded a bike, and this is what happened. Go be now. What's in with that? Why I go say to you? What's up? You don't know the pay now.
Why?
I say you don't know the pay now.
You don't pay me, you don't give me money before.
You carry, you don't want to collect money from me. They're waiting this up.
Why I don't collect money for you?
I say you don't enter bike, you don't know the pay. Waiting up.
Okay, give me my 100 naira.
I say you don't know the pay. If you don't enter bike, you don't know the pay. Now even you go pay me money. Waiting up.
Me go
I
pay.
disturb you.
No be you call me.
Now me call you and I say see where they go. I don't stop for where they go. Now they enter inside. Waiting comes up.
Give me money now.
I say you don't know the pay.
Hey!
Make I play organic way for you.
Guy, I don't understand this way they talk for you. I don't understand.
What you don't understand? You carry you don't know the pay. What you they talk?
I don't understand.
You they off bike for me.
I know they work for free now.
You they off bike say wetin happen.
Give me my money now.
You carry you don't know the pay. You know they hear them.
I know the yara.
If you don't enter bike, now bike man go pay you. Don't be even me go pay you.
Now you go pay me.
Why I go pay you?
Why you go enter my bike? You tell me say na me go pay you.
Make I play the mode black for you. Eh?
See problem.
You want dance Oganigwe? Sure you want dance Oganigwe? I say you don't know they pay. They follow me. They argue. You don't enter bike. You won't stop and collect for waiting. Don't disturb me, I beg. I no touch you, no touch me, I beg. I beg.
This man cannot do anything without finishing his incantation. So before he finished the incantation, you light his neck. There's nothing to do. What? You get what I'm saying? It is as simple as that. He cannot do anything. He has to finish a particular incantation, madam. Look at he has to finish the incantation. He's armless. Trust me. 12 to 3, you have closed. Oh my God.